Hi guys, in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Ton wallet with your Avacoin Ton bot in Telegram. So please, if you are new to my channel, turn on the bell notification so in order to get notified whenever I just upload a new video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So what you are going to do, if you enter your Avacoin bot, so you can see a profile here, just click on this profile icon, click on it. So as you can see here, it just tell me that my wallet is not connected. So let me just click on this connect wallet. So as you can see here, we have 4 different types of wallet that you can use. You can use the Telegram Ton wallet, or you can use tonhub wallet, or my wallet, or my Ton wallet, or my tonkeeeper. So what I recommend for you guys to use is use with one of those 3. So me, in this particular video, I'm going to use with this tonhub. So let me click on it. As you can see, my tonhub is want to open just once. So as you can see here, avacoin.org request to connect to your wallet. So let me click on connect. So let me just put my fingerprints here. As you can see here, my Avacoin wallet was already connected here. So let me just go back to my Avacoin bot and see. So you see here, my wallet was connected successfully. So this is how you can connect your Ton wallet with your Avacoin wallet, with your Avacoin bot on Telegram. So I'm going to show you how you can just claim free tokens if you didn't accumulate more tokens on these particular airdrops. So as you can see here, we have tax here. So just click on this particular tax. So as you can see here, these are the new tax that you can just get some airdrop tokens on this Avacoin. So just let me just click one of them and show you how you can do it. So I have already claimed my own. As you can see here, you can just launch the bot and play. You can get 30 Avacoin tokens. Follow on Twitter, join the Telegram channel, and follow them on Instagram. So this is how you can do those particular tags on these very mining airdrops and get free tokens on this platform. So if you get this video very valuable, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification so in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.